remains world's fastest car title with no competitor registered till date. The exclusivity of it once again dropped with limited edition belt buckle from the makers. The 44 units limited edition buckle is priced at $84,000 each. The first 11 series are done with white gold finish, while the second one finishes off with a rose gold. The remaining 2 series are yet to be produced. Famous boutique owner Roland Iten of Geneva is the personality behind this exclusive collection of Bugatti. In actual, Mr. Iten used 100 handmade components of stainless steel, solid gold and titanium for making this buckle a reality. He appropriately dolled all of them under the guise of Swiss watch making technologies. A smoked sapphire crystal placed on the outer displays all the components for its engineering charm. Hopefully, one can lend us comments. Are they going to buy a Porsche or would choose an autonomously mechanized belt buckle for the same cost? This is Vidya Nayak for Indian Drives.